Hello guys, in this video we're doing linear graphs where we'll be sketching linear graph and see how it works. So the linear graph is given in this form: y is equal to mx plus c. This is a straight line where y represents our any y coordinate in the line, x represents any x coordinate in the line, then m, this is gradient, and c is the y-intercept. So we want to see how to sketch these linear graphs. So what we do when sketching linear graphs, we need to have a table of values. For example, let's sketch this graph: y is equal to x plus 1. So what we need is a table of values, of x and y values. So this is x, this is y. So let's start from -1, 0, and 1. Those ones, they will help us to plot or to sketch a straight line. Then we need to find the y values. When x is -1, so y is equal to -1 plus 1, we get 0. So y is 0 there. When y is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, what is the value of y? Is 1. Then when x is equal to 1, what is the value of y? Is y is equal to 1 plus 1, we get 2. So we use this table of values to sketch our linear graph. So we sketch it like this. We draw our Cartesian plane: 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are the x-axis: -1, -2, -3. These are the y-axis. Don't forget to label your axes. Then this one: 1, 2, 3. -1, -2, -3. So the first point is -1 and 0. -1 is the x value, -1 and 0, it lies there. Then the second point is 0 and 1. 0 and 1 is there. And from there we have 1 and 2. 1 and 2 somewhere there. Then you use your ruler to sketch or to draw a straight line that goes through those points. This is how we sketch a linear graph. So you can see this one, I said, is the y-intercept, which is the point where the graph cuts the y-axis. There it is. It is cutting at 1, which is here. Alright. Let's see the next part in the next video of linear graphs. Linear graph which is already sketched. So the question is asking us to determine the equation of the graph. So what we do here is we take any of the 2 points that lies on the graph. So in this case we have this point and that point. So let me mark it point A and point B. So our point A is equal to 0 and 1. The x coordinate is 0, the y is 1. So for point B, the x coordinate is 1. The y, you come this side and you read the value, it's 0. So first thing when determining that equation of a linear graph is to find the gradient, which is the value of m. Remember we said this one is in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So to find the gradient, which is m, is changing y over changing x, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. What is our y2? Let us mark this one to be our coordinate 1, this is our coordinate 2. So our y2, we find it here, which is the 0 minus y1, it's a 1, over x2 is 1 minus 0. What is our answer? It's minus 1. So minus 1 is our gradient. Therefore, we use the formula y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1 to find the equation of our straight line or our linear graph. So what we do from here, y1 and x1 represents any of the point that lies in our linear graph. So in this case, we can choose point A to represent y1 and x1. So this is y minus our y1 is 1, which is equal to m. We calculated m is minus 1, then x subtract 0. So this will be y is equal to, this is minus x. Then we take this one to our right hand side and becomes plus 1. So this is the equation of our graph.